Good evening. Today is 16th September 2021. Welcome to today's daily market update. The Dhaka Stock Exchange gained 31.76 points or 0.44% today and reached 7,228 points. Market turnover was 21.71 billion taka, which is an increase of 3.16% compared to the previous trading day. Grameenphone from the telecommunication sector, Beximco and Square Pharma from the pharmaceutical sector, and Bata Shoes from the tannery sector are the major contributors to the gain today. In terms of sector-wise return, the tannery sector posted the highest gain of 5.92%, while the life insurance sector registered the second highest gain of 2.05%. On the other hand, the industrial sector posted the highest loss of 1.23%. 3 fuel and power, 3 insurance and 2 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers. Jute Spinners, Fortune Shoes and Shamorita Hospital were the highest gainers today without any publicly disclosed fundamental reason. On the other hand, Kia Cosmetics, Dulamia Cotton Spinning Mills and Dominage Steel were the top losers. There is no material fundamental reason for the decline in the share prices of Dulamia Cotton Spinning Mills and Dominage Steel Industries. Anti-Corruption Commission's decision to file a case against Kia Cosmetics owner over allegations of amassing illegal wealth may have exerted selling pressure on the stock today. The trading volume of Ibn Sina, Rupali Life Insurance and Meghna Life Insurance increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There is no publicly disclosed material reason for the volume increase in Ibn Sina and Rupali Life Insurance. Meghna Life disclosed its dividend today and also announced its decision to sponsor Shantani AML Meghna Life Income Fund, subject to approval of BSEC, may have caused such a spike in its share trading volume. Today's top 2 news are: Bangladesh Bank has instructed NBFIs to allow loan rescheduling for only a maximum of 3 times in its bid to bring credit discipline in the sector and protect depositors' money. Bangladesh has signed a trade and investment framework arrangement with Australia with a view to liberalize trade and increase investment between the 2 countries. That's all for today. If you like what you hear, follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and YouTube. We will be back again with more updates tomorrow. Stay safe and stay with us.